We are in Planet Hollywood in the Strip Suite, the Strip View Suite. This is the living room. It has a sectional couch, TV, little armoire. I don't have all the lights on, but it's okay. And then this is a closet, basic, safe, iron board iron, some extra linens. Over here is the bed, little area to chill out. Got a coffee area, and there is a refridge inside. Not a mini bar, a fridge. And then there's another TV. We have an amazing view of the Bellagio fountains and Paris and the pools downstairs. And then we have the shower. The bathroom is right here. This is a huge shower. And then this is a huge tub. And then the vanity areas, double sinks with a view of the fountains. This is gonna be awesome at night. And then over here, we have the toilet area, which I need to find the light for, but there's the toilet in its own personal room. So that is the room.